Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Sure, my name is Mia. I'm a student.
Nice to meet you, Mia. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from Australia.
That's nice. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer.
That sounds interesting. Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I do. I enjoy creating new designs.
Great. What are your hobbies?
I like reading books and watching movies. How about you?
I enjoy listening to music and painting.
That's wonderful. Do you have any favorite music?
Yes, I like pop music.
Nice. What is one thing you want to learn this year?
I want to improve my English speaking skills.
That's a great goal. I'm also working on my English.
Really? That's great.
Yes, practice helps a lot.
I agree. The more we practice, the better we become.
That's true. Speaking English every day makes a big difference.
Yes, even a few minutes of practice can help us improve.
I feel more confident when I practice regularly.
Me too. Let's keep learning and speaking every day.
Mini story. Leo and Mia are talking about themselves. Mia is a student from Canada, and Leo is a graphic designer from Australia. They talk about their hobbies, interests, and goals. Both of them want to improve their English speaking skills, so they encourage each other to keep practicing. They believe that daily practice is the key to becoming a confident English speaker. Small steps every day can lead to big improvements over time. Practice time. Repeat after me. 1. What is your name? 2. Where are you from? 3. What do you do? 4. What are your hobbies? 5. Why do you want to improve your English? Practice sentences. 1. Let me tell you about myself. 2. I enjoy learning new things. 3. I like spending time with my family. 4. My hobby is reading books. 5. I want to improve my communication skills. See you in the next lesson.